To show you how our demo works, let's follow the story of Clara, a master of Oakswell baskets from Mid Wales. Clara's business had hit a plateau. She couldn't afford a branding agency, and she lacked the time and energy to handle marketing herself. She began engaging with us through WhatsApp. We ensured her from the start that she's in control of her data and can delete her information at any time. So Clara's journey started with our Agent 1. Instead of filling out long forms, she simply takes pictures of her work from different angles. We use a computer vision layer to filter her inputs. This ensures only high-quality images are passed to the algorithm for analyze. And we also ask Clara about her materials, techniques, and the heritage behind her craft to dig a little bit deeper on her story. While Clara is a master of her craft, she struggled with pricing. So Agent 1 performed a market search based on her input and suggested positioning her brand as high-end design pieces rather than just everyday essentials. By using our Flock AI model, the agent generated a high-fidelity brand description, marketing suggestions for channels like Etsy and Shopify, a target price range, and a professional hero image for her storefront. So all of Clara's profile and craft data is stored in a shared document formatted as user.md and product.md. This allows our agent to collaborate seamlessly. If Clara wants to revisit or edit anything, she simply sends a WhatsApp message to update her records instantly. So now let's look at Agent 2, which operates within an open box framework. This allows us to document the agent's logic and evidence in real time. And based on the OpenClaw, the Agent 2 focuses on the two main clones workflows. So first one is around the revenue analyze. So by uploading the Clara's sales file, the agent automatically converts them into a structure sheet. It analyzes her weekly revenue and identifying which channels and categories are performing the best. The second part, it scans live data from the platforms like Amazon and Etsy. It performs a basic bird's eye view comparison of similar products in her category and updates the rebranding.md file with fresh market insights. So both two flows work endlessly to give her latest information. Finally, the agent provides Clara with those suggestions based on all this information in the WhatsApp. So this is overall our multi-agent structure. By using that, we've reduced a process that usually takes weeks down to just 5 to 10 minutes, as you guys can see on the screen. And we're currently expanding this to more heritage craft designers across the UK and even across the world, helping them tell their stories and position their products for the modern market. This is how our system works, and we'd like to help the artisan heritage a proactive and AI-powered voice. We're happy to connect for any suggestions or further collaborations. Our LinkedIn informations are just down here. Feel free to connect, and cheers!